Grand La Villais Villa and Spa Seminyak. One of our top picks in Seminyak. This property is a 12-minute walk from the beach. Grand La Villais Villa and Spa Seminyak is located just a 5-minute stroll from Seminyak Square, featuring spacious villas with private pools. It has a garden and restaurant. Free shuttles to Kuta and Petatanga Beach are available. Free Wi-Fi is available in all areas, featuring dark wood furnishings. All bedrooms in the villas open out to views of the private pool. Villas are equipped with flat-screen TV, iPod dock and CD/DVD player. Each villa also features a minibar and fully equipped kitchen fitted with a microwave as well as a refrigerator. Large and suite bathrooms come with shower, hairdryer and free toiletries. Star Cafe Restaurant and The View Rooftop Bar serves a la carte and buffet Indonesian hot meals as well as light refreshments. Other dining options can be found 15-minute walk from the property. Guests enjoy relaxing massage at a Della Spa or lounging by the outdoor pool. The staff at Grand La Villais Villa and Spa Seminyak can help with tour arrangements, car hire and airport shuttle. Free parking as well as free valet parking is available at this property. Garurai International Airport is a 40-minute drive from Grand La Villais Villas and Spa.